Have you been prescribed antibiotics for an infection? Maybe they've given you some antibiotics as a woman. You've gotten antibiotics because maybe you've been told that you have an infection, maybe in the cervix, the uterus. Maybe you have inflammation in your endometrium. So I want you to look at this in a different light and why antibiotics is a horrible idea. So what you have right here is this is the ovaries, this is the fallopian tube, this is a magnification of the ovaries, and just so you can see it, this is the reproductive system of the woman. So let's say, right, you have been told that because you have inflammation here, it's called endometriosis, inflammation of the endometrium, or you have inflammation here around the cervix area or the uterus, right? If you have inflammation, what it means is that there's a toxicity within it. So even if you have inflammation maybe in the ovaries, maybe you have toxicity which is irritating a particular area of the body. And the toxicity is creating cell death, or it's creating some type of damage and harm. Let's say there's toxicities here, right? And it is just growing and it starts to kill off these things. So because of the toxicity that is irritating and killing off the surrounding area, bacteria comes and feeds off of it. So bacteria infection means that the bacteria is feasting off dead material or decaying or rotting material which is toxic to the environment. So if you have toxicity here stuck within the fallopian tube and it starts to grow and grow and grow and it causes blockage, that is due to the accumulation of waste material that is not being expelled properly. So bacteria again only feeds off of dead, decaying, rotting things. Okay, so if you have a bacterial infection here, or fungal infection, these things here only feed off of dead materials, right? By killing the bacteria, it does not solve the problem. Antibiotics is a horrible treatment and will only create more problems. What is best recommended is to simply go on a highly nutritious diet, a nutrition-rich diet, and drink some herbs. You know, you can drink some different types of herbs that will help to push out the toxicity that is creating harm and damage. So the herbs will help, or the body will use the herbs to clear out and expel the toxicity. And by using the herbs, we are able to restore or help the body restore the toxic area that is creating irritants. So let's say you have irritation somewhere around here in the ovaries. Obviously you're going to have inflammation of the ovaries, and then you're going to have a lot of problems. So very same way, if you have irritants stuck maybe in the breast area. Now let's say you have a blockage or irritant right here that is blocking this little particular area, then this node right here is going to inflame. So what you're going to have is you're going to have stuck material or waste material that are stuck in these particular areas, and it cannot be expelled due to the toxicity level that's creating inflammation. So by using the herbs, again, we can help to disinfect the area, push out the trash, and have the body restore itself back to vitality. So this is a very simple way to deal with dis-ease or symptoms of toxicity. By using antibiotics, all you do is you're going to kill off different bacterial life which lives right here, because bacterial life is present in every part of our body. It's present here, it's present here, it's present here, it's present everywhere. Because bacterial life is present everywhere, it allows the body to take out trash or break down trash or recycle materials that are basically in constant replenishment. So the bacterial life helps to break down, recycle, reuse, and expel trash material. So we don't want to consume antibiotics over and over and over again. What we want to do is we want to create the conditions for the body to heal itself. And by using these different herbs, different types of cleansers, different types of enrichers, we can help the body restore itself, heal itself like it naturally does. So if you've been given antibiotics, look into it one more time, reconsider the facts. Antibiotics will only go after the bacteria, which is not causing the problem. It is actually just the toxicity that is creating the problem. Might as well you get rid of the toxicity.